How to fix World of Warcraft error WOW51900123. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search WoW server status. And make sure you click on World of Warcraft's official website. And you will find status of the server. If there is any settings going on, it will show up in here. After you do that, it will fix after some time. Then open command prompt and type in Bing space google.com and press on enter and check your ping. If your ping is high, make sure you off and on your router and check your internet connection after that. And this is how to fix World of Warcraft error WOW51900123. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.